Welcome to our tutorial on resetting a DIN rail multifunction digital meter. In this guide, we will walk you through the steps to successfully reset your meter and ensure accurate readings. Let's dive in. Now we can start resetting our multifunction digital meter. We'll show you how to reset your DIN rail mounted multifunction meter. Don't worry if you're new to this, we'll make it simple and easy to understand. As you can see, our present reading is 6 kilowatt hour. To reset this reading back to zero, just follow the correct steps. Step 1. Locate the buttons on your meter. These are usually small and can be used to control the meter. Step 2. Look for the reset button. It should be labeled Reset, Default, or RSD. It's the button we'll use to reset the meter. Step 3. Press and hold the reset button for a few seconds. This action tells the meter that you want to reset it. Step 4. Wait for the reset. After a short while, the meter will finish resetting itself. Congratulations! You've successfully reset your DIN rail mounted multifunction meter using the reset button. This simple process can help troubleshoot issues or restore the meter to its default settings whenever needed. Remember, if you have any questions or need further assistance in the future, don't hesitate to refer to the user manual or reach out to the manufacturer's support team. They're there to help you get the most out of your meter. Thanks for watching, and we hope this tutorial has been helpful to you. Happy metering!